On our way home coming from Apollo Bay, we decided to drop by the Great Ocean Road Chocolaterie and Ice Creamery. And make sure to check out our Great Ocean Road vlog.
Heidi and Harmony.
Hi everyone!
Hi everyone. We're now heading back home. And before we're gonna stop at the chocolaterie.
Hi!
Perfect. And which one would you like? Milk chocolate?
Is it good? No more tummy ache, huh?
Yeah, because chocolate.
Because the more I think about it, the more it hurts, so I didn't think about it.
Yeah, that's right. Oh, this is for hot chocolate. These are whisks, small whisks with chocolate around them. And then you put it in hot milk or warm milk and it will melt.
That's a smart idea.
So hot chocolate.
Yeah, it's got the colour chart on it for white chocolate, on top of chocolate.
Yeah. Bacon. Yeah. Kids fondue fiesta. You can make your own fondue.
They're chocolate poopy.
What?
Chocolate poopy.
It looks like the actual food promotion.
Cute.
I see it. You want me?
Freckled eggs.
Yeah.
Wow, looks yummy.
Hey, these are the people that have been selling.
I want the chocolates.
So the kids will have diamond in the sky and chocolate frog, milk chocolate. So mommy will have cherry pistachio and strawberry delight.
Strawberry delight.
So I changed my mind from strawberry delight to
Yep, that's
passion
it.
fruit punch.
Thank you.
Thank you.
There you go.
We're trying the white chocolate and dark chocolate.
The girls did earlier.
Yeah, the girls already tried milk chocolate earlier. What's that? Honeycomb.
There's more than the Philippines.
They are raw. I want to try it. I know, but I still want to. There's honeycomb bars.
What's that? Oh. Rocky Road. Yum. That looks so good. They've got lollies as well. 1 meter long chocolate bar.
Oh yeah, the 1 kilo.
Cute.
They just got the chocolate out. And now, I think
Let's look at the ice cream. But since it's still too early, the kids can't have it right now. But yeah, let's check it out. Interesting. Looks good. They've also got sandwiches and cakes. Fruit intake. So you got strawberries, freeze-dried strawberries, freeze-dried bananas, freeze-dried pineapple, freeze-dried mangoes. You got letter chocolates. Oh, okay. Oh, Australian animals. What is this? Koalas, kangaroos, and I think this is a wombat. Not sure. Oh no, it's raining. There's like an ice cream scoop with cone. That's so cute. What's that?
Like if you can donate $2 and you can take a parsley plant or a lemon.
Is this a chocolate?
The parsley.
It's raining now.
Exits.
Like cheers! I got a
Lala.
sheepy because it's the biggest.
Oh.
Yeah, that's why I picked that too, the sheepy.
And that they got a dog.
The sheepy is the biggest.
So we're gonna have lunch.
Ate got Goofy, like Ate, Goofy.
Oh, you got Goofy from Mickey Mouse.
Like Goofy?
That
Goofy
looks
for
like
Goofy.
Goofy's Goofy. Here,
That's the chocolate factory.
Bye, Chocolate Factory.
Thank you for watching.